Lovely people, Coupon and Crystal here. Welcome back to the channel, guys. It is time for Frugal Tip Tuesday, guys. And Frugal Tip Tuesday is late, guys, but the information is still good. We are talking about side hustles, side money, earning some extra coins. What can you do to monetize your gifts and your talents? Okay. What thing do you do that you can turn into a monetization situation? What can you do to get some money for something that you're good at? Okay. Now I can sew, I can make jewelry. Are you a creative person? Okay. What are you good at? Are you a baker? Can you bake? Can you make a good cookie? Can you make a good cupcake? Now you may say, oh, Crystal, I don't have a talent. I'm not good at sewing. I'm not good at baking. Okay. Well, you're working a job every day, possibly. So what do you do on your job? What is it that you do on your job that you could actually take the skills that you've learned from doing on your job and turn it into a situation where you can monetize it as a skill to make a product or do a service that you can get some money for? Okay. If you're working in a clerical administrative type job, there's some organization skills that are required to do that. There's got to be some communication, people skills that's required to do that. Okay. How could you put that into a money situation where you're getting money? You could possibly be a virtual assistant. You could actually work doing someone's organization to organize their business or maybe organize their home. Are you a good cleaner? Do you enjoy cleaning? You might could clean people's homes on the side. You might could clean people's homes or businesses on the side. That might be a way that you could actually get you some side money. You just never know. Are you a good couponer? Are you able to sell your coupon items? I've got a whole playlist that I can list above that you can go and watch that will give you more information about that. All right. Now, perhaps you don't feel that that's something that you've ever thought about, but I encourage you to think about it because God probably put in you some gifts, some skills, some talents that you just haven't quite tapped into, that you could actually make some good little side money with it. Or if you wanted to turn it into a business, hey, turn it into a whole business. You don't need no permission from nobody to do that. You just do it. Now, my business is a side hustle now, but it was not always a side hustle. At one time, it was my full-time job and was paying my actual bills for years. Okay, so it can be done, guys. I'm just working I'm working a public job now. So I'm doing it on the side, but I have kind of like put it on the back burner, but I did make the decision to kind of rebrand and do some revamping of my business. So that's something I'm doing. And if you guys are interested in seeing any of that or hearing about it, let me know in the comments below. I may do a video about it. You never know. But even if you're, say for instance, you are a writer, do journal, is it something that you have a insight about, or do you have experience that you think someone could actually learn from? You could possibly turn it into something that you could actually make money off of. You could possibly turn it into an ebook. It's not hard to do an ebook. There are plenty of videos on YouTube about producing an ebook. Are you knowledgeable in certain things, or do you have certain skill sets that you're knowledgeable in that someone could find interesting or find helpful? You just never know. I think it's just more about being creative and thinking of different ways that you can actually get money into your household in order to be able to do more of the things in which that you want to do. Okay, we would like to retire early. That is definitely one of our goals. And I am trying to obtain more streams of income, multiple streams of income. I don't want my income to just be coming from one place. And you could do a YouTube channel. Look at me. Something that I just enjoy doing, which is couponing, coming on here running my mouth to y'all. Yeah, Something as simple as that, guys. So I hope this video was enjoyable for you. I hope it was helpful. I hope it got you thinking. I hope it got your mind thinking about, what are you good at? Let me know in the comments below of the video. What are you good at, guys? What is it that you enjoy doing? Let me know in the comments below of the video. And as you're telling me, if I get any ideas of how you can turn that thing into a business, I will surely put it in the comments, replying back to you. Okay? Remember, click to save and you'll be amazed. Bye-bye.